How much is your child worth? We'll do whatever it takes to cover those priceless costs. When you're with your Mr. Right, everything's hilarious.
Was he jumping?
It's his kisses that you can't complain, even though it's too many. Her first love of life is furry, can't lie. Learning from a legend, they say. It's time to cuddle, everyone. Sit down. Talked about enough. Look how cute they are. A real flex is when you have a group of furry friends, aka your bodyguards. Meeting your besties after a week feels like. This duo's something we haven't